Hello children, welcome back to maths class. In the previous class, we have solved some word problems by addition. Today also, we can solve some more word problems by addition. Here is a question. In a week, an aeroplane covers a distance of 40,756 km, while another aeroplane covers a distance of 38,148 km. Calculate the total distance covered by the two aeroplanes. Okay, therefore, it's given that there are two aeroplanes. The distance covered by two aeroplanes in a week. We have to find out the total distance covered by both the aeroplanes. Okay, total we need to find out. Therefore, what we should do? We have to solve the problem by adding. Okay. Therefore, to solve a word problem, first we need to write the steps by using the given information. Okay. The first aeroplane covers a distance of 40,756 km. Therefore, distance covered by the first aeroplane. Distance covered. Distance covered by the first aeroplane. What is the distance? 40,756 km. Then another aeroplane covers a distance of 38,148 km. How do we write that in words? That is the distance covered by the second aeroplane. That is, what is the distance? It is 38,148 km. Then calculate the total distance. Therefore, total distance is equal to how do we find the total distance? We need to add both these numbers. 40,756 km plus 38,148 km. Add these two numbers. Okay, we can do the addition. 40,756 plus 38,148. Add these two numbers. Then 8 plus 6. Add the digits in the ones place. What are the digits in the ones place? 8 and 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. Remainder 1. Then add the digits in the tens place. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then add the digits in the hundreds place. 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. Next, add the digits in the thousands place. 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. Then next, the digits in the 10,000s place we need to add. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. Therefore, we got the sum. It's equal to 78,894. Therefore, the distance covered by the two aeroplanes is 78,894 km. You have to write this in the notebook. Okay. Then second question. The National Library of India has 11,086 fiction books. The number of history books is double the number of the fiction books. And the number of poetry books is 14,289 more than the number of history books. Find the total number of all three types of books. In a library, there are three types of books, isn't it? What is given? What are the things given? The library, there are three types of books: history books, fiction books and poetry books. And their numbers are also given. we need to find out the total number of books in each category. Okay, total number of books in all the three types of in all the three categories. Okay, therefore total number we need to find out. Therefore find the sum of all these number of all these books. Therefore write down how many fiction books are there, how many history books are there, how many poetry books are there, that we need to write. Therefore first it is given that library has 11,086 fiction books. Therefore how do we write that in words? Number of, yes, number of, how do we write that in words? Number of fiction books, number of fiction books. How many fiction books are there? Number of fiction books, how many are there? It is given that 11,086. Okay, next, the number of history books is double the number of fiction books. Double means what? Double means 2 times, twice. 2 times means multiply by 2. Therefore, the number of history books is 2 times the number of fiction books. Therefore, to get the number of history books, we need to multiply the number of fiction books by 2. Okay, therefore, number of history books, number of history books is equal to 2 into, okay, why this 2 comes? Because it is twice the number of fiction books. 2 into number of fiction books is 11,086. Therefore, multiply this number of fiction books by 2, then you will get the number of history books. Okay, therefore we need to find out that answer. 11,086 into 2. Okay, we have studied the multiplication of numbers now. This is a 5-digit number multiply by a single digit number. It's same. If you multiply a 3-digit number by a single digit number, the process is same. The steps are same only. Therefore we can multiply. 2 into 6. 2 6 are, do you remember the multiplication table? Everybody knows the multiplication table of 2, no? Therefore 2 6 are 12. Yes. Then remainder 1 right on top of 8. Then next, what is the next? Multiply 2 and 8. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Remainder 1. Then 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is 0 itself. Then 0 plus 1, add the remainder. 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Therefore, the number of history books is 22,172. Okay. Then what is the next thing? The number of poetry books is 14,289 more than the number of history books. Okay. Number of history books we got. Then the number of poetry books is 14,289 more. Therefore, plus number of poetry books. Number of poetry books is equal to, now it is 14,289 more. Therefore, 14,289 plus more than this history books. Number of history books is 22,172. Add these two numbers. 22,172 plus 14,289 plus. Then 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. Remainder 1. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 1. 16 is there. Then remainder 1. Then 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Next, 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. Therefore, we got the number of poetry books, 36,461. Then, find the total number of books. Therefore, last step is total number of books. Total number of books. To get the total number of books, we need to add number of fiction books, number of history books and number of poetry books. 11,086 plus 22,172 plus 36,461. Add these two numbers. That is 11,086, 22,172 plus 36,461. Add these numbers. That is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. Then add the digits in the tens place. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 8. 13 plus 8 is 21. Write 1 here and the remainder 2. Then 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then 5 plus 1, 6. Therefore, we got the total 69,719 books are there in total. Okay. Therefore, from the given information, we have found the number of each type of books. Then add the number of books. Then we got the total number of books. Okay. This also you have to write in the notebook. Then the third question. There were 12,784 plants in a city in the month of January. The municipal corporation planted 15,125 saplings in the month of February and 24,360 saplings in the months of March and April. How many plants are there in the city now? Okay. Therefore, in a city there are some plants. Already there are some plants there. Then in the month of February, the municipal corporation planted some saplings, and in the month of March and April also they planted some more saplings. Then we have to find out the total number of plants in the city now. How many plants are there in the city? Therefore, first there are 12,784 plants. Therefore, how do we write that in a sentence? That in words, number of plants were in the city. Number of plants were in the city. How many plants were there in the city? There are 12,784 plants. 12,784 plants. Then number of saplings planted in the month of February. Number of saplings planted in February. How many plants were planted? How many saplings were planted? 15,125. 15,125 saplings in the month of February. Then what's next? 24,360 saplings in the months of March and April. Therefore, number of saplings planted in March and April. Is equal to how many saplings? 24,360. Then what is next? How many plants are there in the city now? Okay, therefore total number of plants. Total number of plants is equal to, how do we find the total number of plants? Yes, we have to add all these three numbers. That is, the numbers are 12,784 plus, next number is 15,125 plus, then the third number is 24,360. add these three numbers, that is 12,784, 15,125, then 24,360 plus. Okay, then first add the digits in the ones place. The digits in the ones place are 5 and 4. 0 plus 5, 5 itself. 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 is 9. Then 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. Remainder 1. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. Then 4 plus 7, 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Remainder 1. Then 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5 is 9. Then 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 1, 11 plus 1 is 12. Again remainder. Then 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Therefore, we got the total number of plants in the city. It is 52,269. Okay. Therefore, this also you have to write in the notebook. Then there are some homework. Let us try 2.1, page number 27, question number 16 and 17. Okay. Therefore, we have studied how to solve word problems by addition. Then when you get a word problem, how do you understand which operation you have to use, addition or subtraction, what? Therefore, in a question, if a word is there like this, like that, total, how many are there, all together, how many are there, then how many more are there, such words are there, then you have to add the numbers. Okay. Therefore, I hope all of you understood. Write the notes carefully and all the best. Okay children, bye.